Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. So today we woke up in the morning and we saw all the food. Means like we woke up really late today in the morning. That's why like our ammu had already prepared the lunch for us. But we just woke up so we had to take our breakfast. That's why my ammu was making breakfast for us. This is the breakfast she was making. She was making bread pizza for us. So good. She mostly makes bread pizza for us, and it's one of our favorites. It's so yummy and it's so tasty. Like, it's just so awesome for our breakfast. We love to have it for our breakfast. That's the best. And here it was ready, and here we were taking our breakfast. So we just did some high, and yeah, I was just telling that my ammu made breakfast for us, but I had to mute it because like there was some very loud background noises and it was looking very bad, so like we muted it. But anyway, we just had the bread pizza and it was so delicious, like always. It's always so good. And yeah, that's all. And one more thing, those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also like our videos and comment down your thoughts about our videos. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family and anyone you like, whoever you think will enjoy seeing our videos. And we would love to know your comments, and if you want the whole recipe ingredients by ingredients about bread pizza, it's actually very easy. You don't need some specific things. You guys can just like see and make, but if you want, then don't forget to comment down below. We'll surely do it. I hope you like this video. Bye bye. Masalama.